Guys, it's your boy Etard Adventures. We're here with a 93 EG Civic sedan, automatic D15. You know, one owner car. I just picked it up. It's got some dents and dings, but she is bone stock. I got it to the house and was going to see if the AC worked in it, but I could not get the blower motor to work in any position. 1, 2, 3, 4. It would do nothing. So I'm going to show you what to check in order to see how to get that blower motor running. So the first thing you're going to do is come over to your fuse box here, and you want to go to your 30 amp fuse here, which I've got a different fuse in it now because mine was actually blown. There were several things wrong with mine. I put a 40 amp fuse right there just to get her going. So that's the fuse you want to check, is this one here, to see if it's blown. I will show you the old fuse if I can find it right here. As you can see, that one is bad. So change that out. Change this one out here. Still didn't fix the problem. So next I went inside the car. Still got it all tore apart where I've been in there messing with it. But I went inside of the car. I'll show you. If we can get up in here. That 7.5 fuse right there. If you don't have a fuse readout, you want to check that fuse. That's the next thing you do. If it still won't come on after checking that one, then what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the driver's side here, take your glove box out. Easy videos on how to do that. Here's your blower motor. Disconnect this plug running to your blower motor. Take you a drill battery, go to the positive and negative and stick on that blower motor and see if she kicks on. See if she's turning. That's actually what ended up being the fault with mine, was the blower motor. So I took one off the parts car I had, which was a 97 EK Civic. Bolts right in. It's the exact same. The next thing that you can check, if that does work and it's still not coming on, is you unplug this plug here, take 2 screws out of this, pull this out. When you pull that out, I'll show you what you got. If I can find it. I don't know what I did with it. Here we go. Let's see. Is this piece. This one is all kinds of destroyed. All this is supposed to be sitting up. This side's supposed to be sitting up too. But yeah, this one's just garbage. But these 2 springs are supposed to be on one side, and then this spring and this spring is supposed to connect. All this jazz is supposed to be touching and hooked up and not have any brakes in it. And that's what controls your speed. If you look on this side, low, medium, medium 2, high, that controls your fan speed. If the blower motor actually works. Now, got her all. Oh yeah, and look at that. 165,000 original miles, which is insane. Most of these Civics you see this old have got well over 200,000. So I'm just gonna stick the
battery. It's the best deal for some of the best batteries from some.
So you can see blower motor 1, 2, 3, and 4. They all work. If yours is only working on like 4, only on high or only on low, it's definitely that piece down there. It's super simple to get to and easy to change. I'm not sure if they're expensive or not, but if you have a LKQ in your town, go down there and pull a bunch of them off. A couple of them, you need a little bitty screwdriver. That's all you need. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, leave something in the comments down there. Let me know that it helped you. I like seeing comments, and I respond to every comment. Thanks so much, guys. Until next time, peace.